All right. So today we're gonna cut the resonator out of my 2017 GT Mustang Coyote, and we're gonna put an H pipe in, not an X pipe. Okay. Making room in the shop because it's raining outside and it's not the best of weather. Alright, so this is the Mustang. Fuck, it looks good on camera. Yeah, there's like a million little chips, and it hasn't been. I went through one of those auto washers and it sucked. But 5 liter, 6-speed manual. Where's the hood release? It's right there. Oh yeah, it looks so good on camera. But yeah, this is the Mustang. The exhaust is coming. It's being delivered by Amazon, and then I'm gonna get the Amazon delivery driver to install it too. And I'm also gonna make her my wife.
My wife.
Let's hope she's pretty.
Yeah, hopefully. Who knows? Who knows what kind of driver you'll get, right?
Yeah, who knows? Oh yeah. Maybe we should. I'll open up the shop door and we'll do a before and after exhaust sound.
Yeah, we probably should have went for a drive or whatever, but yeah, give it a couple.
Boot.
Oh, let's give it a couple of revs. You know, we bring it in so it dries off and it gets wet again.
Yeah. There, I'll open up the shop door. And we got a nice microphone on the camera.
It's true. That's true.
So we can kind of see like
if it's good or badder.
Yeah. And this is it'll be a legit cold start too.
It's true.
Like I did just pull it in, but it only ran for 5 seconds.
Yeah. Kind of sucks, yeah.
I know. So that's the ketchup.
That's the catch.
I brought it to the ketchup.
Yeah, that's not even that good.
No. And the resonator already rattles as it is.
Yeah.
Like sometimes you can kind of hear it when you're driving at slow speeds, like in a parking lot. It kind of has to be under load, like in drive.
Yeah. No, it sucks. So that needs to be dealt with, right?
It needs to be deleted.
Yeah. Best way to fix it.
And then I watched a lot of videos on sound. I felt like an autistic kid on YouTube.
Sure.
Just going like, oh yeah, sound clip here, sound clip there. What did he do? What did he do? And like, I like X pipes. They're sick on like.
X pipes are so good.
They're sick on push rod V8s.
Yeah, I'll give you that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you got a push rod V8, X pipe.
Yeah, these are already high pitched enough. You need the H pipe to make it deeper almost, right?
Yeah, for idle, I think they sound better at idle. Yeah, technically less performance, but like, I already have all the performance.
Yeah. No, I think you're right there. That the H pipe.
All right, YouTube land. Amazon delivery driver showed up. Here's the exhaust here. There, just a regular H pipe. Simple. It's pipes. I think they gave us a sticker. And I wasn't lying, I got the delivery driver to do the install for me. You get it?
Yeah.
Sick. So you can crack all 4 loose?
Yeah.
And then you can switch over to the small ratchet so you're not swinging this big thing around?
Yeah, so literally just do it. No, come on.
Damn, you're so smart.
It's gonna fucking come out.
So yeah, you gotta disconnect it at the mid pipe there. And then we gotta undo the exhaust hangers back here. And drop the whole exhaust. But we'll get to that once she's done that.
Bebe,
Huh?
can you take this off for me?
Take what off?
The fucking...
Socket? Alright, YouTube land, we're back. She's all dirty. Alright. This is what I got her to do so far. So there's the resonator. This is the over axles. All the videos that you watch from CJ Pony Parts, they tell you to just slide it out of the hangers here. But when you only have the car jacked up a little bit, just undo them because you don't have enough leverage to wiggle and fight it like they do nicely. It's two 13mm bolts. And then this bottom one here, so you undo this top one, push the muffler all the way backwards into the resonator, and then you can hit it with an impact from the bottom with an extension like that over there. So yeah, these are factory mufflers, but we're gonna cut this guy. We'll grab the H pipe over here. It's in a small pond. Okay, so the curve on it goes to the drinker side, which would be right there. Bam. So now that's flush there. We're just gonna overlay. We're gonna cut right about here so that it could slide into there. Oh yeah. So we're gonna cut about here so that you have all that room to slide into. And same with on this one. And we'll just grab Sharpie and cut that. I'll show you after it's been cut. Alright, we're back here. We're gonna put these clamps on and then slide the pipe on. Oh. There we go. So there's all the resonator. Here's the pipes that we're keeping. So we're gonna install these clamps here now because you can't install them after. That's kind of like a brake line. Wham. Unboxing video.
Ready? Guess what's in it? Ta-da!
You gotta do the ASMR shit. Like, bounce your nails on it and shit. Okay. Wait. Did you do it right? No. See the nut?
Yeah.
We want the nut facing down and on the inside. It'll spin around, but that's the way we want it oriented for when we're inside the car. Because this guy right here will stop spinning on its own. It don't matter. Yeah. Jam that fucking off-road pipe in.
Alright, let's go.
So the bend goes to the drinker side. Yeah. So you just do one at a time.
Yeah.
You don't have to like perfectly get both. Put weight on it so you can push into it.
Is that
If
good
you
enough?
twist and push, it goes a lot better.
I guess as
Yeah.
far as it goes, hey?
You want it as deep as possible. So deep.
Okay. Yeah, that's as far
That
as
one's
it goes.
pretty good.
I guess this side I gotta go the other way.
that's good enough?
I think that's as deep as it's going.
Oh, so deep.
So deep. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We're gonna push this all the way up and under that car again. All right. So fully installed now. How you feeling?
Everything hurts.
Out of 5, difficulty level.
A 4.
A 4 for someone that doesn't wrench. You got the lights?
Yeah, once you like.
Oh, you don't throw shit. You don't throw globe. Like, fuck, that guy's always here. He's like, he's fucking literally just fine.
So there's the H pipe there. It goes to the mid pipe. And then it just sleeves on right there. And then it's got those clamps and I got the nuts on the inside and then it goes back to factory exhaust. Pretty simple, pretty easy. It does look like it's sticking out a bunch, but that's as deep as we can get it, and we slid the clamps up a little bit so it's not showing as much. Hopefully that doesn't leak. There we go. Okay, we'll get this thing back off the stands and
Fire it up.
Nice.
All right, let's hear this.
it's still quiet, like still streetable. I'm happy about that. I want it to be streetable.
Yeah?
I don't want to be a brown guy. Because I'm gonna get pulled over.
You get pulled over by the cops all the time?
Yeah, I don't want that. Because it's already a brown guy looking car.
We're dating a brown girl.
Alright. All done.
Sweet. Well guys, that was the last little bit of the install of the exhaust. I think the next thing we'll do is like a walk around of the mud truck. I'll put a picture here of what it is. We'll do a walk around, and then I think we'll do like custom braided brake lines and bleed the brakes on that. And we also got like a cool, I got the parts sitting here, so I'll just show you guys. Got some cool fancy hoses. So here we go. There's the fancy brake lines. Put that on for the rear. I already got the front one on, but I'll show you guys the front, and then I'll show you how to do it with the rear, because the rear is simple and easy. This is the kit that I got for the front. All-Star Performance Circle Track stuff. Some heim joints for the truck in the future, but I got this nice high flow, low pressure fuel pump from Amazon. Had good reviews. It looks just like the Poly ones. And then I got like 20 feet of hose and a bunch of fittings, like $80 for this whole thing on Amazon. Actually, I got to take one of these home with me. I gotta buy some more pipe in the future. I'll just keep that in my car, so it's a daily reminder. I gotta get some pipe to weld up some track bars, and yeah, that'll be another video, building track bars, mounting the box that I converted to a short box. Yeah, there'll be lots of stuff. There's also these blocks, which might not use them, and then those are U-bolts. These ones are slightly taller than what we had, but I want to do a shackle flip, so we might not even run blocks at all. So we got options though, so we can hopefully get it close to level. I don't mind a little bit of Cali lean, but yeah. That will be all for this video. See you guys next time.